Hi everyone, and welcome to Yum's Cuisine Island Treasure Pot. If you enjoy dishes from different cultures, ethnicities and countries, then this video is for you. What I'd like you to do is click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so that you can see every time I am uploading. Like, share and comment. So let's get into this video. Today we are making Saltfish Buljol. And Saltfish Buljol is loved here in Trinidad and Tobago and throughout the entire Caribbean. Today we are going to make it Tobago style though. I prepared my saltfish by boiling it twice with lime juice to rid of the salt. Now you don't want to rid all the salt because it is saltfish after all. So, as you can see here, we have some beautiful ingredients to work with today. And my first ingredient is vegetable oil. I'm also going to be using some Dijon mustard, pimento, sweet pepper, chive. I have in the corner here some onions as well as garlic. I also have some tomato. I have some shadow beni and thyme and some celery, and they were all diced, and my saltfish of course. Now let's go to the pot. So as you can see, I am at the pot and I have in here my oil, my onion, garlic, sweet pepper and pimento, and I'm just gonna saute them for a bit, like a minute or so. After sauteing them for a minute or two, I'm going to add my tomato, and this, with the addition of this tomato, is going to bring a lot of water, as tomatoes are watery and they spring their own water in the pot. So I'm just going to combine these, stir, come on people, stir, stir, stir. Now to this, I'm going to add my saltfish or bacalao. Caribbean people, stand up. And I'm going to get everything in that pot. Now I'm going to combine this saltfish into the vegetables that I've sauteed. And people, look at this color. Look at this color. You always want presentation to be on point. And as you can see, we had 10 out of 10. Now, this is only one way of creating saltfish buljol. There are many ways, but this is the way that I love to do it. Because by me sauteing my veggies first, it's gonna bring out all those flavors and heighten the taste of this saltfish buljol. Another way that you can create saltfish buljol here in Trinidad and Tobago is you get your flaked fish and all those veggies that I sauteed. You don't saute them, you just put them into the bowl, you give it a good mix, and you squeeze some lime juice on it. Now that lime juice is not only going to add flavor, but it's also going to cut some of the rank from the fish, right? The other way, and you can have it just like that. You don't need nothing else. It's going to taste amazing still. The other way we create it is by adding some oil, hot oil to it, what we call bunjay, and that's it. So let's get back to our video. We have here some celery, shadow beni and thyme. And you know I get everything out. And I have here some chive. And I'm just going to combine that into all of the ingredients that is already in the pot. And those colors, oh my god, guys, the smell, the aroma, whew, oh my god. Now, if you was doing it the next way, you wouldn't smell anything much. I mean, you could smell fish and you might smell some lime. but the aroma from this pot, people. So now I'm going to add my Dijon mustard. And I'm also going to combine this into the ingredients. And if you have normal mustard, it's totally fine. Mustard is mustard. Oh gosh. Bear with me now. You know what I'm saying. But you can add the other mustard as well. And then I'm going to add here my favorite Adobo all-purpose seasoning. And remember, a little bit goes a long way. You don't want to put too much in there. The saltfish already have salt, right? So you want to add that in there. And then we are going to combine all of this together. So this is our results. And who else is ready to eat? Let's eat. And that's perfect. Delicious. And guys, this goes well with roast bake, fried bake, sada bake. Any of our local breads is perfectly fine. So thank you again for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, share, comment, and tell a friend. Thank you for your support again. Bye.